back, and it's easy to see the moments when history was made. The moments that reset our course and redefined the limits of our potential. But that is the beauty of hindsight. We can see the moment that everything changed. We know when a new world of creativity was born. And we can pinpoint the day we took our last leap forward. We can see our history because it's behind us. But our next giant leap is up ahead. Together, we're going to make history again. Deliver top image quality and win new business. With the best-in-class white printing experience and an endless list of substrates to print on. Beat your deadlines, powered by a smart, efficient engine and high print speeds. Access new jobs thanks to HP LATEX's market-leading sustainability. Make your operations safer with water-based original HP inks and reduce your impact on the environment. This is our next giant leap. Are you ready to make history again? The HP LATEX 700 and 800 printer series, equipped to win big.